So I want you to remember as you finish this year and start 2026 that it is within your power, within the tools that you always have with you to come back whenever you feel something arises, or anytime during the day that you remember. Come back to touch, breath, and then bring, it's not just something mechanical, so just bring also your attention and intention. I'm cultivating moment to moment what I will have in the next moment and in the next day. So um, this is a very good way of doing transitioning between this year that's ending and the one that's starting. We are going to intentionally let go of the burdens that we are carrying, uh, of our response or reaction of fear, of constant worry. So it's there, and it's totally natural. And sometimes there are things that we cannot change, but we can always come back to our body and assist our body to relax, to experience some inner safety. And moment to moment to moment, that starts transforming the way your nervous system explodes or gets really hurt, just, and then one day you're surprised, wow, this is coming up and I'm remaining calm, and I have more availability to myself and to others to look at the situation and do the best that I can within what I have, right? So scaffolding, let's now bring to this experience of breath and touch, attention and intention. And for that, we are going to integrate in this Taoist breathing that's named letting go of the old, taking in the new. And it's very interesting from the point of view also of polyvagal and neuroscience, polyvagal theory and neuroscience, that when we release, when we exhale, we are stimulating the parasympathetic nervous system. So letting go of anxiety, of whatever is burdening us, of pain, emotional pain, even physical pain. Just with exhale, take the opportunity to let go, to release. And with the inhale, we inspire new inspiration. We invite what we want to cultivate in our life, what we want to experience. So, and to experience directly at the level of the body. So let's do again, rubbing our hands. Let's experience again, rubbing our hands, generating some warmth and chi. Can you feel the warmth? Okay, so now we are going to bring this healing power of our hands to the Sea of Tranquility point and the area of our lungs and heart, and bring this attention to the sensations we are feeling with the touch, and the attention to this moment that we have chosen to cultivate relaxation and inner peace. And we combine that with the breath, as we were doing just a moment ago, inhaling slowly, gently and deeply like sighing, exhaling through nose or mouth as you prefer, a longer exhale, inviting the whole body to relax, receiving the support that's being given to you right now. And we do 2 more of this, reviewing what we did just a moment ago. Feeling the sensation of relaxation as we exhale. Now we're bringing this Taoist component of, as we exhale, we let go of what's burdening us, of what in this year perhaps has troubled us, fears, some thoughts that we would be much more relief if we can let go, at least while we are practicing, let go of layers and layers of what's burdening you. So let go of the old, of that burden that you're carrying, as a way of transitioning from 2025 to 2026 and not carrying all this into 2026. Taking this opportunity of, as we exhale, we let go layers of our sadness, our fear, our worries. Complete the exhale. And then in the inhale, let's visualize healing, what you want to invite in your life, new inspiration, inner strength. And when the time comes to exhale, again, exhale the opposite of that, what the burden that you're carrying. Let the exhale be completed without forcing. And let's inhale what you want to cultivate. And exhale what you want to let go. Layers and layers of it. Visualize yourself receiving with every inhale new inspiration, new inner strength and calm. And with the exhale, letting go of the burdens and being okay with whatever arises and whatever we are feeling. We are not asking perfection here. We are just working with ourselves to see how we can let go, and how we can open ourselves a little bit to inspiration. Yeah, and if you feel like stretching, let's stretch. In this community, we inspire each other. If you feel like yawning, maybe bringing your elbows back and feeling the opening of the chest. So I want you to remember the sea of tranquility point and kind of have this habit of coming back to it, having the longer exhales, always listening to your body. So whatever works for you, you don't want ever to force anything, and inhaling like sign, also inhaling the softening, new inspiration, and then exhale through nose or mouth, letting go. Another sense of letting go, let's just brush along from the shoulders through the arms and out and here and down from the top of our chest to the abdomen and the back and along the legs, shedding out anything that we are carrying from 2025 that we want to let go. Just as you do the physical movement, also accompanied with the intention, attention and intention of, okay, right now I'm helping my body to experience peace by letting go of this in this moment as we practice with friends. And Okay. Let's come back to our first practice. Sense any sensations. What is your body feeling right now? What would it like to do? Maybe stretch, maybe maybe shake, maybe massaging the head, like, okay, new, despejarse la cabeza, you know, cleaning your head from stagnation. And there are some amazing points here in the back. Let's see here. There is one point, if you follow your spine up to the edge of your skull, right there, there is another indentation. I don't know if you can see back, but here. So there is another indentation there, very important one, and we can interlace our hands and then bring our thumbs to that indentation, which is a very powerful point. It's called wind mansion. So it's like the wind of our thoughts and emotions and all that. We have our hands interlaced like this, nesting the nape of our neck, and then with the thumbs we are going to that wind mansion point. And inhaling, and exhaling.